Hello guys, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we were talking about consultants. We finished one series of different types of owners. We discussed about various types of owners. There were 8 different types of owners. We completed that, and now we are back with another topic: consultants, hotel consultants. I had I had given a brief in my last video about hotel consultants. We are going to discuss about the first subtopic under hotel consultants. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 best-selling author, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Let us start with our discussion, hotel consultants. And today's topic, we are going to discuss about architect's brief or architectural brief. How important it is for the hotel project. It is so important. Unless and until we have a right brief, the architect, whoever the architect may be, he will not be able to give his best. To support the architect, we need to give him a brief. So what happens is, most of the times when we are planning the project, the briefs are usually given by the hotel owners themselves, because they have something in their mind how they want to develop the property, or how they intend to see their property after being ready. So what they do is they give the brief by themselves. Here the important point is that major areas of planning, designing the various front of the house, back of the house, fire and life safety requirements, and the MEPs, the mechanical, electrical and plumbing requirements are very important, and this requires a lot of coordination and lot of planning. So most of the times the owners are not aware about all these things. So it is always suggested that one should always have somebody who is holding their hands and taking them forward. It may be a hotel brand, it may be a hotel consultant who understands the hotel project, and over and above, what we also look at, the kitchen planning, the guest room plannings, the common areas, a workflow of various areas, is very important. So combining it together, if you look at the brief altogether, if you look at the planning altogether, if somebody senior or somebody, a hotel consultant or a hotel brand is not involved, then what happens is there is a mismatch. The workflow never matches and there is a mismatch. So what I would always suggest is, before giving the brief, ensure that somebody is there to guide the owner, to guide you and take the things forward. This will give you a brand compliant project. A consultant is available. If not the consultant, the brands are available. There are various brands. They do a technical service agreement with you. You can sign up with them and take the things forward. Coordination of project is a major part. There are various consultants attached to the project. So getting all of them on one page, coordinating with all of them, it is an Herculean job. So somebody who understands hotel projects well should be engaged to get the best out of the project, to get the brand compliant project, so that in future, even if you are if you have not signed the brand and the brand intends to sign you on after the project is completed, the areas, the major areas are covered, and more or less a brand accepts your property and sign offs for the future operations. So my suggestion would be that ensure before getting into your planning part of it, right from stage 1, hire somebody, hire a brand, hire a senior consultant who gives you a hand holding, takes you forward. Once again, Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a son,